right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to import the project files. Okay, so you'll notice up here, this is the project panel. And if I click here, I can expand this just so we can read project number 1, and this is the composition. Okay, so it's got kind of like this film strip look with RGB. It's basically this icon right here with a film strip. Okay, so if I right click, we can import a file or multiple files. So let's do multiple files. And we're going to go to the desktop, click on project number 1. I'm going to hit open, and it should allow me to import that folder. Okay, so let's open that, and we'll clean that up in a second. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, I'm going to hit cancel and see if it imported everything. Okay, it did. Very good. So what I want to do is, all I want is one, and let me see. Yeah, it's a folder in this one. Okay, so let's delete that. Just click on the trash bin here. It's going to ask you if you want to delete it. Yes. And then same with this. Let's delete that folder as well. And now we have graphics. So we have our logo and we have our background. Okay. All right, so that's how you import project files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.